Hello and welcome to Tech Coding Camp. So from now onwards we are going to start our new series on React.js. So this series is going to be enriched with good examples, with good simple level apps to the complex level applications. So I assume that we are on a basic stage. We'll start from some basics of React.js, and then our goal is to have a mastery in React.js. So I assure you that if you follow this whole course, you will be able to code some complex applications in your career, and you can start your career with React.js and you will find it very useful. So heading towards our React. So what is React.js? React.js is an open source JavaScript library that is used for building user interfaces, especially for single page applications. And it is used for handling view layer for web and mobile applications. So React also allows us to create reusable components. So what is special in it? It is used to create reusable components, and it is also very fast, scalable, and simple to apply and use. So Jordan Woke was the React developer and he was working in Facebook. React first developed on Facebook's newsfeed in 2011 and on Instagram.com in 2012. So what makes React very interesting? Let's go and see this diagram. So React is very simple. The simplicity is the future of React. React.js is just simpler to grasp right away. The component-based approach, well-defined lifecycle, and use of just plain JavaScript make React very simple to learn, build a professional web and mobile application, and support it. React uses a special syntax called JSX, which allows you to mix HTML and JavaScript. This is not a requirement, but developer can still write in a plain JavaScript, but JSX is much easier to use. And then React is easy to learn. Anyone with a basic previous knowledge in programming can easily understand React, while Angular and Ember are referred to as a domain-specific language, implying that it is difficult to learn. But React, you just need basic knowledge of CSS and HTML. And then it is a native approach. React can be used to create mobile applications, and you call it as a React Native. And React is a die-hard fan of reusability. So at the same time, we can make iOS, Android, and web applications. And then come towards a data binding feature of React.js. React uses one-way data binding and an application architecture called flux controls to flow of data to components through one control point, the dispatcher you can call it. So it's easier to debug self-contained components of large React.js apps. And then performance. React does not offer any concept of a built-in container for dependency. You can use Browserify, require JS, ECMAScript 6 modules, which we can use via Babel, React.js die to inject dependencies automatically. And then come towards our testability. React.js applications are super easy to test. React views can be treated as functions of the state, so we can manipulate with the state we pass to React.js view and take a look at the output and trigger actions, events, functions, and etc. So these features make React.js very impressive. So this is the overview of what is React.js, and we will be learning throughout this whole course that what is React.js and what is its positive sides, and you can install React.js in the next video. This is all from this video. See you in the next video.